The Pentagon's research requests are way more than just paperwork. They're a blueprint for the future of war.
So you gotta wonder, right? How does the world's most powerful military get ready for tomorrow's wars?
Well, it's kind of wild. They basically publish a shopping list of the exact tech they want to build.
So we dug into their latest requests. Here's a look at what the future of conflict looks like. First up, the tech for the individual soldier. We're talking the future warfighter's toolkit. Okay, so here's the problem. A soldier's respirator filter. Right now, it clogs, it's single-use, and has harmful chemicals. The proposed solution? It's a total game changer. Regenerable, PFS-free, and even 3D printable on demand. Here's another tough one. Finding buried explosives in iron-rich soil. Your standard magnetic sensors? Totally useless. So they're getting creative, looking at new ways to find threats using light, sound, and even chemical traces. But collecting all this new data is only half the battle. A soldier has to see it right now. And that's where tactical visualization comes in. Think of it like a real-life heads-up display for the battlefield. All right, let's shift gears to the invisible battlefield. This is all about data and signals. Everyone's talking about drone swarms, right? But they have a huge weakness. Their communications can be jammed. The solution here is just wow. They want drones to talk to each other using their own propeller sounds. But even the most secure comms have a weak spot, and it's not the encryption, it's the app itself. It's called the attack surface, and for messaging apps, that surface is absolutely enormous and a prime target. But maybe the biggest shift of all on this battlefield is the rise of intelligent autonomy. We're talking about helicopters flying missions like medevac or cargo runs almost entirely on their own.
All right, for our last section, we're going big, really big. We're heading to the final frontier, space.
When it comes to missile defense, the holy grail is intercepting a threat right after it launches. And get this, the timeline from detection to destruction needs to be less than 180 seconds. Just incredible. So with thousands of new military satellites going up, you have to ask, what happens when they break? The solution? Basically, a commercial tow truck for space, and it'll need some seriously advanced autonomous tech. So when you look at all of this, 4 big trends pop out: autonomy, data, resilience, and just speed. As this stuff jumps from science fiction to reality, what's the one thing we really need to prepare for?